So what I'm going to make today is I'm going to start with putting maida. Now into this I'm going to put our shortening, which is our butter. Cover all the butter with the flour. This should look like wet sand. I love this. I can keep playing with this. I should stop. I'm making a rich short crust pastry. So I'm going to be adding the yolk of the egg. And now into this goes a tablespoon of water. Cut into it. So I'm just going to take this out. Bring it together like so. Cover it really well. Okay, done. Putting it in the fridge. Here it is. Our dough is nice and cold. Little flour on it. I have one chance. I'm going to take it. I hope it doesn't crack. Not bad at all. We're going to fill all the patches, don't worry. So I'm going to put it back into the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Little oil. I'm going to start by sauteing mushrooms. Put a little salt, not too much. Patience. And add the zucchini. Get done fast, a little quicker, come on. Here is my tart crust. It is now cool. A little carrot, a little sweet corn. So basically you can keep layering it. Mushrooms, zucchini. So this onion has been pre-fried, pre-cooked. Cheese, as much as you like. And now I put the egg and the cream that kind of binds it all together. 2 eggs is better than 1 egg. Basil, and put it into this. You need a little salt, a pinch of pepper, my favorite nutmeg, some cream. I'm going to pour this into the tart. Yep, looks gorgeous. Now this goes into the oven, 200 degrees, for about 20 to 30 minutes.